Let's question with interrogative adverbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore an interesting aspect of English grammar, interrogative adverbs. They are essential tools that we use to ask certain types of questions. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of interrogative adverbs and their functions. Before we understand the functions of interrogative adverbs, let's first define what they are. Interrogative adverbs are adverbs that are used to ask questions. They often lead to responses that are more than just a simple yes or no. The most common interrogative adverbs in English are how, why, where, when, and to what extent. Now, let's dive into the primary functions of these adverbs. Querying about manner. The adverb how is used to inquire about the manner in which something is done. For example, in the question, how did you solve the problem? How is seeking information about the method or way the problem was solved. Inquiring about reason. Why is an interrogative adverb used to ask about reasons or causes? For instance, why are you late? Here, why wants to know the reason behind the lateness. Probing about place. Where is the interrogative adverb that seeks information about location or place? When you ask, where do you live? Where is asking for the place of residence. Asking about time. When is used to inquire about time. In the question, when is your birthday? When is seeking to find out the specific time or date. Questioning about degree. The phrase to what extent is used to inquire about the degree or level to which something is true or applies. In the question, to what extent can you speak French? To what extent wants to know how well or how much French you can speak. An interesting function of interrogative adverbs is their use in indirect questions. These types of questions are often more polite and are common in formal English. They usually begin with phrases like, could you tell me? I wonder. Do you know? Etc. For instance, instead of asking, why are you late? In a formal setting, you might say, could you tell me why you are late? And there you have it, folks. Today, we've discovered the functions of interrogative adverbs in English grammar. From inquiring about manner, reason, place, and time, to questioning degree and polite questioning with indirect questions, these handy adverbs are the key to asking rich, detailed questions in English. Remember, learning English, or any language for that matter, is a journey. It's about making small progress every day. Keep practicing and using these interrogative adverbs in your daily conversations, and you'll soon become more fluent and confident. Until next time, happy learning!